Have you ever met with the question, will robots take away your work? If you have, then you're probably one of the many people over the world who have done so, as this has been a topic in many societies. My research interest as a sociologist is to see what these kind of questions conceal, what kind of issues these kind of questions leave out. These questions and related questions such as how will artificial intelligence and robotics influence the future of work, the future labor market, society. In these kinds of question formatting, what you can see is that the focus is on how technology impacts society, and it's quite often forgotten that society also impacts technology. This perspective has been termed as technologically deterministic perspective. It often looks at technology as an inevitable force outside of society that impacts society. In this case, we are not asking the question instead, how do technology and society co-shape each other, which we should be asking, or actually other normative questions, very, very important normative questions remain in the background, such as what would be a fair situation with respect to the future of work, and how can technology help to reach that goal? Or what kind of social and business arrangements should be in place now so that we can reach that social goal, or actually some discussions on what would be considered a fair situation. Instead, we are just focusing on what can be done to prepare for a future situation when robots are taking away work and things like that. There are many, many strategic decisions that need to be made, and some decisions favor the great mammoth companies which are developing these technologies, and other decisions or results of decisions can favor maybe those who are more in need, these vulnerable groups. And how can we reach that? That is the situation that happens, that decisions are made which help the vulnerable groups, the disadvantaged. How can we help to have a fairer situation? So because the focus is on the effect of technology on societies, these issues remain in the background. And I may be naive that the discourse can be changed, but there have been some improvements. And also, just look at the discourse on sustainability. In that discourse, quite often it's asked, how can technology contribute to the sustainability ideals? So there could be a similar situation with respect to the future of work discourse. I make many other arguments and raise many other issues in my article. So if you're interested in, have a look. But my main argument is that we need to transcend the current visions, which are the dominant visions on the future of work, and we need the different methods also to be used to do so. And we need to do this with a perspective where sociology can help, which is sensitive towards power and inequality issues.